Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we have some Play-Doh Surprise Eggs and we have Scooby Doo to help us open them. Let's get started. Well, let's start with this green egg right here up front and see who is inside. Look, it's Tinkerbell. Look, see her little wings in the back? That's definitely Tinkerbell. Hi there, Tinkerbell. All right, next let's go for this blue egg. It is a car. I think this is one of the cars from the Disney Cars movie, but I'm not sure. If you guys know who this is, why don't you tell me? Purple. Let's do the purple egg next. All right. Ooh. Oh, this one has two parts. Let's see who we have in here. We have a little teacup. And, aw, Littlest Pet Shop, I think. That looks like a little chihuahua. So that must be a teacup chihuahua. And it fits in the teacup. Look how cute. Alright, how about this orange one? Aw, look, it's Hello Kitty. Look how cute she is. She looks like she's dressed like a little pumpkin. She looks really cute. And the green egg. Another green egg. Let's see. Oh, it's that silly clown. Looky there. Do you know who this is? Is this a clown from one of the shows? I think it is, but I'm not sure. Maybe from The Simpsons. You tell me if you know. On to some bigger eggs now. Alright, let's go for this yellow egg over here. Let's see what's in here. Look. Now I get these guys mixed up. You guys probably know which one this one is. He has two eyes, his goggles, and they all have really easy names, but I get them mixed up. But he's definitely from the Despicable Me movie, one of the little minions. Alright, right there you go. Now how about this red one right here? It's an Angry Bird eraser. Look at there. See, it's an eraser. All right, now let's go for, how about another green egg? We had quite a few green ones. All right. Let's see what's in this green egg. Aww. Look, guys, do you know what this is? That looks like one of the fairies. See? Look at there. Tweet, tweet. All right, we're gonna put you right there. Question is, will you stand up? Yes, you will, yay. All right, how about this yellow one? Okay. Aww, look who it is. It's Scooby's best buddy. It's Shaggy, and it looks like he has a map. Looky there, guys. He has a map. I think he wants to go hunting for a treasure. All right, right there. And an orange one. Let's see who's in here. Ha, look who this is. Now this is two pieces. It looks funny like this. Actually, this is a character from a show where Perry the Platypus plays his arch enemy, and I think it's Phineas and Ferb. I'm pretty sure it is, but his legs pop right onto his body. And he's got some really funny looking eyes. He's looking this way. Ooh. All right. Well, guys, I was gonna say we only have 3 eggs left, but I forgot Scooby's got one on his head, and then I was looking over here, and behind Shaggy, Scooby's hiding another one. So let's open this one up and see what's inside here. Oh, look. It's a little hedgehog. Look how cute he is. He's so soft and squishy. You go, wee. Hi, little hedgehog. All right, well, I'm thinking Scooby must like you, so maybe we should put you right there beside Scooby. All right. Now, should we go ahead and do this one on top of Scooby's head? I think so. What is in here? Oh, guess what? It's Perry the Platypus. I was just talking about you. And he has 2 pieces. He has his hat, and he looks like he is got his arms crossed, and he is not happy. He's not happy about something. I can't get this hat to stick on here. I'm trying. There you go, Perry. Yay, it's stuck. We were saving the best for last, Perry. That's why you were after him. Yep, your arch enemy is right there. You can stand there, and we just knocked everybody over. I'm gonna set you right there, and you can, it's okay that he's knocked over now. There we go. We only have 3 eggs left. Let's go for this red one right here. Aha! This is one of those cars from Mario Kart. And that's one of the little characters. His name's like Croc or something. I'm not even sure what his name is. But he's got a cute little car, and it actually rolls. See the wheels? It's rolling. All right. Now I'm gonna take this, put it back here. And let's see what's in this big yellow, it's kind of yellowy orange color egg. Right. Ah, do you know who this is? Ooh, he's a little bit scary. And I don't know his name, but you probably do. And if you do, then let us know in the comments. What is his name? Last egg, the big blue egg. Let's see what's in the big blue egg. Aha, look who it is. It's our buddy Scooby Doo and Shaggy, and it looks like Scooby is really, really scared. He's saying, oh, and he's jumping in Shaggy's arms. Yay, well, great one to finish that one off. There you go. Thanks for checking out our channel and watching us open these Playdough Surprise Eggs. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching!